guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's to me, your favorite baby girl, Mix Muhammad, aka Gaskia Anogo. Hey, so guys, on today's topic, guys, as you all can see, I'll be going out to have some fun. So you all should please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to Mary J Black's YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my own YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show your baby girl some love. So it's your favorite baby girl, Mix Muhammad, aka Gaskia Anogo. I love you guys. Mwah. So I don't know you guys' definition of fun. My own definition of fun is when I go out to taste varieties of food from different restaurants. I know you guys will be like, where is all that food going to? I don't know. Me too, I don't know, because that's the question that I keep asking myself all the time. Miss Muhammad, you love food. Anywhere there is food, you're always there. And you're not fat. You're always slim, you're not chubby. Where is that food going to? Guys, I don't even know. But that's my own definition of fun. So you should please comment down below and tell me what's your own definition of fun. I love you guys. Mwah. Guys, here is their menu. Let me give you guys a short story of what transpired between I and my cousin Nana Idrisu. Guys, before everything, like, I'm not a fan of junk food. That's just the truth, and I'm not conversant with it. So I chose rice and chicken, and my cousin was like, no, ain't you tired of eating rice all the time? Choose something else now. I said, to just make the choice for me, because I don't know what to choose. That was how auntie chose sandwich and whatever. She said I should choose the side. I said, to, with cheese and chicken. All my thought was they will bring the sandwich different, then they will bring the chicken different, not knowing that they will join it. Hey God, guys, you guys will not believe what happened. Oh, my food is here, and I was like, oh ma, share my eye, they pay me, I've been waiting. Hey Nana, you did me dirty. Kilele. Hey guy. 3 slices of bread, tomato, I don't even know what to do. So make I swear for this girl, I be make I laugh, I be make I cry. Nana, you did me dirty. Wait till you do me. If I talk, say I want swear for you. I no sure say, Kai, what is this? Hey. Just to choose waiting, I go chop. You go they choose bread. See, I tell you, say I be oyimboni, I be waiting. Bread, they can't put tomato inside with 1 cucumber. And she expects to make I dey okay with this kind of food. I don't even know what I go do this girl. I just dey look at, I don't even know. Cause more bread and lettuce. Like say vegetarian. Me we hungry the wire. Ah. No, this girl, she, if like say I don't offend her, she can't gather things for mind. Say no, maybe I will pay this girl back. Now by to give her this kind of food because she know say I need to play with my stomach. I just dey force myself, dey smile so that they no go know wetin dey do me. First time in history where I dey humble, na so I look aside. I say, Ogbeni, abeg, help me with small yam. Make I use the taxi road because I no even know wetin dey enter my belle. How 3 slice of bread go come dey okay? I go come eat am, I go come belle full. How? Me wey tall like this, you no look my size. You go I say I begged her, I say abeg, cause of God, help me with your yam. And could you guys imagine that she ordered for yam? Fried yam and stew. That's how she helped me with the yam. I ate the yam, I can't do alright. What I went through in hands of Nana Idris, I will never tell her to order anything for me. That's the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my own YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show baby girl some love. So it's still your favorite baby girl, Mix Muhammad, aka Gaskiya No Go Pay.
I'm Mary J. Black, babies.